Remember the days when you were a kid and used to play cool games like Super Mario Bros. And watched Pokemon for the rest of the day until your parents dragged you to your room to study? That's why nostalgia hits us. Sometimes we just want to get back to those days of endless Mario Bros. Though there is Super Mario Run on Play Store which is smoother and has better graphics, but who doesn't love the retro Mario? Well, good news is that in this video I'm going to show you how to play the legendary Super Mario on Android. Hey guys, you're watching Technic Arena. Without any further ado, let's get started. Thanks to the Pizza Boy emulator, which is basically a Game Boy emulator by which we can play games like Super Mario again in our Android smartphones. You have to just download the free version of the app from the Play Store. Now we have to download the Super Mario ROM for the emulator from a website called completeroms.com. Don't worry, I will provide the link in the description box below. After downloading the zip file, just extract it in your file manager. Before starting the Pizza Boy emulator, grant the storage permission and you are good to go. Now open Pizza Boy and load the ROM from the extracted folder. And now you are ready to restore your childhood. So that's for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, make sure to follow me on other social networks. I'll be back with another interesting video. Signing off, peace.